Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all products for WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in your admin panel, and then we start on the process on deleting the products. So basically, to check your products in uh, WordPress or your WooCommerce, you can either just go to all products here, and from there we will go to all products. So basically, here we can find these bulk actions, and as you can see, there is only the move to trash and edit. So either you can just click on move to trash and then it will be moved to trash. So I'm just going to choose, for example, these products here. I'm just going to click on move to trash and apply. And basically now we will have these uh, products that would be uh, in trash, and then you can go to the trash items and then go to plugins, and here you can click on delete permanently. Another way to do it, if you want to just have one click, you can search for plugins that will allow you to delete the products from WooCommerce. So basically we can search for some plugins that would do these things, and simply we can go to add new plugin, and after that we need just to search for delete all products, and basically we will wait for the search result to appear or show, and then we will have some these plugin here, and basically this plugin would allow you just to be able to delete all products for WooCommerce from your stock, and it will start filtering and move to trash or delete permanently, etc., same as we just did. So basically, you can see it has an appealing UI, and you can have more control on your products from here. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.